Trinamool Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party workers again have clashed in Bengal's Malda over arrest of BJP Neta in Malda. Arrested district BJP Vice President and Councillor in Malda. After a 12-hour bandh was called by BJP, clashes took place. Heavy police force is at the spot right now as tensions continue, as you can see in these pictures at this point in time. Allegations of beating each other up, counter BJP, clean up Trinamool. Intense political tension right now in Malda is what we're reporting on. These are pictures coming in from Malda after a bandh call was given by the Bharatiya Janata Party. I'm going to go straight across to Shreya. Shreya, as expected, clashes continue between the BJP there and the Trinamool Congress. These are pictures in this report essentially from Malda. What more can you tell us about the current situation, Shreya?
Well, you know, Sneha, at least where I am standing right now, this is Goriahat area of South Kolkata, 10 a.m., usually an office-going day. We can't say the bandh call has been completely successful, but at least from the pictures that you can see right now, clearly there is less traffic than an usual office day in the streets of Kolkata. I've been traveling since morning, and at least the picture that I can see, yes, this may not be a successful bandh call. There is traffic movement as such, but at least the manner of the traffic movement, we can say that it's not as heavy a traffic movement as we see on a usual working day. But at different parts of Bengal, for example, in Malda, from Baharampur, from other parts of North Bengal, there have been photos coming in where rail roko andolans are going on. BJP protesters are out on the streets trying to make this a successful bandh.
Be with us, Shreya. I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now. Let's now take you through all the developments coming in from BJP's Bengal bandh that they announced. BJP workers staged massive rail roko protests in Hooghly. Saffron Party workers stopped trains and sat on tracks, raising slogans against the Mamata government. Same scenes ensured at the Murshidabad railway station where scores of BJP workers thronged the railway tracks. Heightened security can be seen at the railway station. In Uttar Dinajpur, BJP workers clashed with cops where policemen resorted to beating them up with sticks. Saffron Party cadre even burnt tires, staging protests against the police and the Mamata government. BJP workers blocked the Tala bridge and burnt cartons in the middle of the road. So the protesters raised slogans heading out at the government. Bus drivers were seen wearing helmets even inside the bus, fearing escalation. Mamata has ensured bandh won't harm the Aam Janata. Political showdown over Kolkata rape horror. A day after violent protests outside the Secretariat, the BJP has called for a 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. bandh across West Bengal to protest against the police inaction on the protesters yesterday, or police action rather, on the protesters, visibly trying to bring the situation under control. And there was lathi charge also that took place. Workers of the BJP stormed streets of Bengal against the Mamata government and her police. Saffron Party cadre burnt tires, blocked the Tala bridge in Kolkata, burnt cartons here. BJP workers also tried shutting down the Shambazar metro station, but they were detained. Saffron Party leaders staged rail roko protests in Murshidabad and Behrampur, Hooghly, North 24 Parganas, Barrackpur, and disrupted railway services. BJP has hit out at the Mamata government, calling her administration dictatorship and accusing her of quashing the voices of the people, the protesters. Amid all of this, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has condemned Abhaya's rape and murder, calling it a gruesome act.
I'm currently at, airport area. A lot of news are, coming in across the state that where BJP supporters are, staging dharna protests, and they are even clashed with the police, be it in Murshidabad, Hooghly, or in North 24 Pargana. But I do see now in this particular area of the city where traffic movements are pretty much normal, and we can see that the buses are on the street. But let me take you through this with this visual, because that will be a huge challenge for the cops to maintain law and order situation. I mean, it's a situation when the TMC supporters, today is the foundation day of the Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad, TMC's student wing. So we expect a huge number of supporters. They will be on streets, as you can see behind me. I know TMC supporters, they have already arriving over here. They will head to Kolkata's Gandhi statue, where Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee is expected to address these people, the supporters. I mean, it is a situation when the entire city and the entire state is boiling over the horrific killing and rape of a junior doctor at Arjikar Medical College Hospital. So maintaining law and order, I mean, it is a situation when both the wings of ruling dispensation and the opposition will be on street, and there is a full-on Bandh has been called by the general strike has been called by the BJP, and the initial visuals and reports are suggesting that it is going to be a very tough and difficult task for the cops in the city around